Hello, 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 dear listeners. Welcome to Podcast Your English, episode 48. My name is Eva, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. Our topic is very cozy and a little bit funny. January mood. That special feeling when everything starts very slowly after the big holidays. Or we can say, talking about our daily routine in January. And of course, my favorite co-host is here, Daniel. Hi, Daniel.
Hi, Eva. Hi, everyone. Oh, yes, January mood. It's real. After Christmas, New Year, parties, presents, delicious food, suddenly January comes and says, okay, now slow down, please. Everything feels lazy, slow, and a bit sleepy. But don't worry, today we will talk about it in a very positive way and learn lots of useful English words and phrases. Ready?
Totally ready. So, first question, Daniel. How were your holidays? Did you have a really festive time? Remember, festive means full of celebration, lights, music, happiness.
Oh, very festive. I ate so much food. Turkey, potatoes, cakes, cookies, chocolates. I think I overate every single day. Overate means ate too much food in the stomach. Now my genes are complaining, but it was worth it. And you, Eva, how did you spend the holidays?
I had a very relaxing holiday. I slept a lot, watched Christmas movies, drank hot chocolate, visited my parents and grandma. I even slept in every morning. Slept in means you stay in bed much longer than usual. It was wonderful. But then January 2nd or 3rd came and I understood, oh no, slow start again.
Slow start. Very important phrase today. It means when you begin something, but very slowly, without energy, like a car that doesn't want to start in cold weather. Exactly how January feels. Do you agree?
100%. Many people call it January blues. January blues means feeling a little sad, low energy, not very motivated in January. Dark mornings, cold weather, short days, but we can fight it. How? With a nice daily routine. Daily routine means all the things you usually do every day. Wake up, eat, work, relax, sleep.
Love that idea. Let's tell our listeners how our January daily routine looks like. I'll start. Usually, I wake up at 7:15. Wake up, stop sleeping, open your eyes. In January, it's very hard because it's still dark outside. I need 10 minutes just to convince myself, Daniel, get up, please.
I know this feeling. I wake up at 7, but sometimes I press snooze button 3 times. Snooze when alarm rings again after 5 to 10 minutes. Bad habit in January. Then I go to kitchen and make coffee. Coffee is my January hero. Without coffee, zombie mode all day.
Zombie mode, perfect description. After I finally wake up, I brush my teeth. Brush my teeth, clean teeth with toothbrush and toothpaste. Then I take a shower. Take a shower, wash your body with warm water. In January, the hot water feels like heaven.
Yes. After shower, I get dressed. Get dressed means put on your clothes. In January, I wear many layers. T-shirt, sweater, scarf, warm socks, hat, because outside is chilly. Chilly means a little bit cold, not freezing, but fresh and makes you shiver.
Chilly mornings are the worst part of January mood. Okay, next step, breakfast. I eat breakfast at about 7:40. Eat breakfast, the first meal of the day. I like oatmeal with banana and cinnamon, or 2 eggs with toast. Food gives me energy to survive the slow start.
I usually have yogurt with fruits and honey. Sweet things help my mood. After breakfast, I pack my bag and go to work. Go to work means leave home and travel to your job. I take the bus. The bus in January is always full of sleepy people with the same slow start face.
I commute by car. Commute, travel regularly between home and work. It takes me about 35 minutes. In January, the roads are sometimes icy, so everyone drives slowly. Another slow start.
And when I arrive at work, first thing I do, check emails. Check emails means open your computer and look at new messages. Then I drink more coffee and try to start working. But brain says, no, let's think about Christmas cookies again.
Very typical January mood. At 12 o'clock, I have lunch. Have lunch, eat in the middle of the day. I bring food from home. Chicken, rice, vegetables. Sometimes I go out with colleagues and we talk about how hard it is to return to normal life after holidays.
Yes, normal life after all the parties and gifts. Parties means fun meetings with music and dancing. Gifts means presents you give and receive. After that, January feels very quiet and boring.
But we can make it better. For example, in the afternoon, I try to set small goals. Set small goals means decide to do easy small things. Like today, I will answer 15 emails and drink 2 liters of water. Small wins help to fight January blues.
Great idea. I also set small goals. For example, walk 15 minutes during lunch break. Fresh air is medicine for slow start. After work, I finish work at 5:30 and go home. Finish work means stop working for today. Go home means return to your house.
At home, I first change clothes. Then I cook dinner. Cook dinner, prepare evening meal. In January, I love warm food. Soup, stew, pasta with sauce, something hot and comforting.
Same here. Yesterday, I made pumpkin soup. Very cozy. After dinner, I try to exercise. Exercise equals do physical activity. Walk, yoga, dancing at home. It really helps to shake off January blues.
I like evening walks, even if it's snowy or rainy. Snowy is with snow falling. Rainy is with rain. I put on warm jacket, hat, gloves, and go. After walk, I feel much better.
You're so brave. I prefer indoor activities. I like reading a book, watching TV series, or listening to music. Reading a book equals read pages with story. Watching TV equals look at a screen with shows or movies. These things make me feel calm and happy.
Before sleep, I brush my teeth again, wash my face, put on pajamas, and go to bed. Go to bed/go to sleep equals start sleeping. I try to sleep at 10:30 to 11. Good sleep is very important to fight slow start next morning.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about New Year's resolutions. New Year's resolution equals promise you make to yourself for the new year. Common ones: exercise more, eat healthy, learn something new, save money.
My resolution is eat less sweets, but January shops have huge sales on chocolate, so it's difficult. Haha. What's your resolution, Eva?
Mine is practice English every day, and this podcast helps me a lot. Also, I want to drink more water and take vitamins. Take vitamins equals swallow pills that give your body extra health.
Good plan. Listeners, do you have New Year's resolutions? Write them in comments if you want.
Another way to improve January mood: self-care. Self-care equals activities when you take care of yourself. Hot bath, face mask, nice tea, favorite music, sleep enough.
I love self-care evenings. Candles, tea, soft blanket, calm music. It feels like a small holiday in January.
Perfect. Also very helpful: meet friends. Meet friends equals see your friends, drink coffee, talk, laugh. Friends always make mood better.
Yes, last week I met my friend Mark and we laughed about how hard it is to wake up in January. It was so nice.
Let's practice some key phrases now. Repeat after me, listeners. I have a slow start in January. My daily routine is very simple. I fight January blues with coffee and music. Today, I will set small goals. I do self-care every evening.
Good job. Now a funny story. Last January, I wanted to start running. Day 1, I put on sport clothes, went outside, and it was minus 12 degrees Celsius. I ran 30 seconds and ran back home. January mood won that day. Haha.
My story: I bought a new planner to organize my daily routine. I wrote beautiful plans for January 1, and on January 3, I already forgot where the planner is.
We're so typical. Haha.
Okay, more useful vocabulary. Make the bed, tidy your bed after sleeping, do the laundry, wash your clothes, go grocery shopping, buy food in supermarket, clean the house, make your home clean and tidy, take a nap, sleep for a short time in the afternoon.
And winter words are frosty, very cold with ice, freezing, extremely cold, cozy, warm, comfortable, nice feeling, slippery, when it's dangerous to walk because of ice.
Perfect for January.
Let's add more routine. Morning, drink water first thing, very healthy. Stretch your body, move arms, legs, back. Meditate 5 minutes. Sit quietly, breathe. Afternoon, take breaks, rest 5 minutes every hour. Drink tea, warm and nice. Evening, journal, write your thoughts in a notebook. Plan tomorrow, think what you need to do next day.
All these small things help to make January mood much lighter.
Joke time. Why is January the best month for jokes? Because it has the most blues. Haha.
Oh no, Daniel, that was terrible, but funny.
One more. What does January say to December? Thanks for the parties. Now leave me alone. I need to slow down.
Okay, listeners, let's do one last practice. Say these sentences out loud. In January, I have a slow start every morning. My daily routine helps me feel better. I like self-care when the weather is chilly. New Year's resolutions are difficult, but important. Coffee is the best friend during January blues.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Okay, it's time for our little summary. Today, we talked about January mood, that slow start after holidays feeling. We shared our daily routines: wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, finish work, cook dinner, exercise, relax, go to sleep.
We learned many useful phrases like festive time, overate, slept in, chilly, commute, check emails, January blues, daily routine, New Year's resolution, self-care, set small goals, cozy, exercise, slow start.
We laughed, shared stories, and tried to make January sound not so scary.
Remember, small steps, warm drinks, good music, friends, and self-care. These things really help.
So keep practicing English every day, even if it's just 10 minutes. Listen to us, repeat words, speak out loud, write in comments.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We love you all.
See you in the next episode. Stay warm, stay positive, and take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Happy January.